Hi, I'm Dr. Bug. Welcome to our Ask Dr. Bug Tuesday Tip Series. Alex, you're my first guest on my new show. What have you been up to?
Hey, Dr. Bug. Well, I've been working on a school project about the seasons. It's kind of got me to thinking about how every spring I see leaves and flowers burst out of what seems to be dead wood. Can you tell me, where do these leaves come from?
Alex, that is a great observation. As it starts to warm up, the buds on the tree branches begin to swell. Soon leaves and perhaps flowers will emerge, depending on the tree species.
Believe it or not, this process starts the previous year as the tree gathers and stores energy in the roots, and special cells form buds on branch twigs. These special cells grow in what is called the meristem. As temperatures rise and the days get longer, sugar starts moving upward from the roots and the buds begin to swell. The special cells start to grow and divide and eventually burst out of their protective winter covering as leaves or flowers. As the leaves unfurl, they become food-making machines. The green color of the leaves is from chlorophyll, which captures sunlight and converts it to energy, turning water and carbon dioxide into sugar and oxygen by a process called photosynthesis. This sugar is used to help the plant grow. Some of the sugar is eventually stored back in the roots for next year's leaves.
So, Alex, in a few weeks, look for those buds swelling on a twig and think about the amazing transformation happening inside what you think is dead wood.
Wow, thanks, Dr. Bug. I can't wait for spring.
Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Send your questions to my email and be sure to include your name and age. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a single video. Until next time, see you in the garden. Ask Dr. Bug originates from the Kids Ask Dr. Bug column, written by Dr. Tamra Reall, horticultural specialist with the University of Missouri Extension. Her column can be found in garden publications, newsletters, and extension websites. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Send them to reallT@missouri.edu. Put Ask Dr. Bug in the subject and include your name and age. Or ask your questions online at the address listed here.